Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. This is part 2 of the RC300 build on the Lexus. So today we're going to tackle this, or in this video we're going to tackle the frame rail here. We're going to try to get this pulled out. We're going to get this fender off. We're going to pop this wheel off, jack it up, and see exactly where the damage is so I know exactly what parts to order. And, I got a surprise for you. I'm going to show you how I'm going to pull this frame out. Now let's get to the video. Make sure you like, subscribe, comment. Need your help. Need your help. Need your help. We're going to build this car together. Other than that, thanks for watching, and let's get to the video. Alright, so now we're just trying to bend this radiator support up a little bit to get that uncrunch right there. Hopefully this is all right, go ahead. It's all the way?
Yep.
All right, let's bring it down a little bit. All right, there's good. Oh yeah, I guess you could do a block. All right, you can bring it down just a little bit more, actually, and we can do both of them. All right, that's good. We just added blocks so we can lift it up. All right, hold on, hold it right there. Hammer. That's crash sensor, I'm pretty sure. Oh, it's probably spot welded on there, huh? Right here. Try getting this one. That's another one, I see it. Right there. right now we thinking we're gonna change the battery out, put some fuel in it. It still had radiator fluid in it. This all got to be pulled out, so we're gonna try to pull it again. If we can't pull it, we're just gonna replace this side. I already found it where I can find it, so I'm just replace this whole left side. This right side seems pretty good. It did crack right here, so like I said, this unbolts off of there. Like, let me see, you can see back here, you can see where it slips in right there. It slips in right there, so it slips in on the same side and the other side. So push come to shove, frame rails be straight, we'll just unbolt those, slide those off, and just replace this whole radiator support, radiator, condenser, and everything else. Move the fuck over here. I'll go up front where Art is at. Just in case that chain swing back this way, I don't want to be in the freaking way. Oh yeah, all right. Well, that gap just closing itself up.